Now let's open Sublime or any software you have. Now create new file and then save it as with the extension .html or HTML. Let's save it as creating form.html. Now write the title. You can give any title. So let's give creating form as a title. So simply write the heading registration form, and after that we will edit it. Now let's find the file that we have saved. Now here we can see by default the alignment is at the left. Now we will edit it and bring it at the center. We will use the tag bold and center. Now you can see the heading is at the center. Now we will use the font tag to give the font face and color to the text. And also increase the size of the text. And we are creating a form, so we want input from the user, so we will put input, and in the type we will put text. Refresh it and then you can see that input box will be appear. And we have closed the font tag. And then we will put another font tag to style the rest of the text. And we will copy paste it for the 3 to 4 times. Now change the rest of the registration number text into the other text form. And now refresh it, and then you can see, but these all are like in the same paragraph, so we have to break the lines. So we use the br tag to break the lines. Put br tag in every line. And now you refresh, and you can see the every name is in the next line. You can give any font face as your choice, and I am giving Sejo Print. But you can see the every line is not in the proper alignment, so we have put a tag PRE so that every line is in the proper alignment. And we have closed the font tag. But in the password we can see the text are visible, so we remove the input type from the password from the text to password. So we have to write the password in the input type, and now refresh it, and you can see the text are not visible or numbers. And in the gender, the input type will be radio. And so in the after the bracket we can write anything, and so in that place we have to write male here. And then copy paste that line. And for the submit button we have put the checkbox, and in that input type will be button. And now the simple form is ready, and we will change the background. So from the BG color we can change from to any color. Now we are going to put a background black color, and before doing so we have to put a font color into the white from the black. because the by default color of the font is black. Now refresh it and all the text is become white, and we will change the background color from the yellow to black now. And our simple form is ready, and you can type the password which that is not visible, you can see, because we have put the input type password in that. And this is the coding for the form.